Right now I'm standing next to the ABT Audi SQ5, 5.2 seconds to 200 from 0 to 50 limited top speed, 425 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque. The wheels look amazing. It's a matte black with a matte silver finish. I don't know how to call it. Red calipers, a silver metallic paint. I like details like this. Look, ABT logo in black right here. Interior seems to be standard SQ5. The seats aren't actually. No, it seems like I can't tell if it's cloth or some kind of special Alcantara seat, but the dashboard is leather. There's the exhaust, again with the little ABT logo on it. ABT. I like the rear bumper, these are really impressive. And here's the view, just a better view.